Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of these SunBonar solar pathway lights. These are solar powered garden lights in a 6-pack with a very beautiful design. This is a huge trend currently going on with these nice designs, and this is definitely one of the most beautiful designs which I've ever seen. So this is what we get. Here's even some small instructions manual so you can see how this is working, and here the back side is some more information, but it's pretty easy to assemble and easy to use. So every single one starts with this ground spike, and then we have this extension here, and then we have the upper part from the lamp. We just put this inside and turn it counterclockwise to secure it, as you can see, and then we push in the lower part into the upper part, and then we add the actual light. Of course, what's important is that we turn it on before we add it to the top here, and to be sure that it really works, we put it on a flat spot, and so we can turn it on and off, and we know it's the on position. So this is the on position. The thing is that when the sun shines on it, it's automatically turning off. So during the day the solar panel is charging battery inside, and during the night then the battery will illuminate this light here, and then we push it on top, and so we have it already, and you can see this is how it works. Of course, it's too bright here inside, so I'm going to put it outside and then charge it the whole day and then let it shine during the night, and then I'm going to show you how this thing really looks.
And so I had these lights now outside for about a week, and they're performing absolutely great. They are so beautiful. Of course, they are not super strong, they are not floodlights, but they illuminate this pathway really nicely, because otherwise it would be totally dark here. Now it's safe to walk, and it's so beautiful. It provides a really romantic atmosphere, something really nice, really beautiful, and I can also confirm that they are totally waterproof. We had already very strong rain and there was absolutely no problem with them, and they are shining the whole night. I've already tested this, and after a full day of full sun, they are shining the whole night and illuminating the whole night. And the thing what I like is that they do not only provide really nice pattern on the ground, they are also very beautiful to look already during the day. They have really modern, really fancy style, and especially during the night they look very, very beautiful, the lights themselves and the light pattern which they emit. So this is as good as it gets. I really love the thing. I can give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.